My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Alright, so I got a bunch of shoes in the mail today. This is actually really nice. Tomorrow we absolutely have a huge release. We have Jordan 1 Shadows 2.0. Another one. And another one. Alright, that is about it for the release. I managed to get, I think, 22 checkouts. Oh my god, it's a freaking miracle. We have a minor Jordan 1 low release coming up in about 3 minutes. I don't care enough about this drop to be running like 5 bots, so I'm only running Prism for foot sites and Wrath for Shopify. I think this is going to be pretty difficult to get, but don't care too much about this drop, so we're just going to go for it. Whatever, why not? Oh my gosh, is that one going through? No. What the hell? Oh, I have one carded. Come on, come on. Yes! I got one! Oh my goodness. Prism, you beast. Even though that release was pretty tough, we were able to get one, so I am pretty happy about that. Also, these came in the mail today, Photon Dunks. Very simple and beautiful colorway. Wish I was able to get a bunch of these, but this also was a pretty difficult release, so I'm at least happy to have one. But the release that I do need to do well on is the release today, which is Foam Runners. This is super duper important. I prepared as much as possible, and I finally have my hands on the king of Yeezy supply, which is Dash. Now, if I don't manage to get any of these, or if I have a lackluster performance, then dude, I don't know what else to do. But I will be trying my absolute best. Hopefully we can get a bunch of Foam Runners, and hopefully I am not zip code banned. That would absolutely suck. Alright, let's do this. What the f? Can't get through the queue, dude. Okay, I passed one on Wrath finally. Adding shipping info. Please check out, dude. Give me something. Give me something. Please.
It appears as though some people are experiencing what you might call shoe trauma this morning. I'd like to take this opportunity to remind you of 4 things. Number 1, it's a piece of rubber, it looks like cheese! It's a piece of rubber and it looks like cheese. That's what it is. Alright? Okay. Yeah. Number 2, life is suffering. It is the only emotion that you are guaranteed to feel, and that every human being birthed on this planet is guaranteed to feel. You are not promised by the universe, by some deity, by something, some higher power, a single moment, a modicum of happiness, but you are guaranteed to suffer, and this is what unites humanity. The goal of human interaction should be to alleviate the suffering of others, which speaks to number 3. Someone, somewhere, is having the best day of their life. Think about them. The more you think about people like that, the more you'll find happiness comes your way as well. Be happy for others. And number 4. The sun came up today. Feel blessed.
I'm speechless. 0 pairs. 0, nothing. However, it seems like I am not alone. Apparently Jake from AYCD, who normally gets 1,000 clips, no exaggeration, he usually gets so many shoes every single release, he ended up with 1 pair. And his setup is probably like 5 times more expensive than mine, but I do have to say this isn't a release that's actually really hard to get. A lot of people were able to hit multiples. Now if this was a release that was super duper limited, then I would have been okay with not getting any pairs, but the vast majority of people, especially if you were running Dash, should not have had issues getting multiples of this. So yeah, I don't know, but this is the worst case scenario and it happened. After the Yeezy supply drop, I had one last chance to redeem myself on Shopify, and it didn't exactly go well. There was one bot that took the entire stock of a major Shopify retailer, and that bot was Soul AIO. They did a fantastic job. I wish I could have ran it because people were hitting 20 clips on that bot from Shopify, which is basically unheard of. In the coming days, we have a bunch of Dunks and Jordans dropping, and exactly 1 week from now, we should expect Yeezy 500s to drop. Am I gonna get it together by then? We're gonna find out on the next episode.